Hello and welcome to Dakota Prep's video tutorial on sizing pull boxes. Now we're going to look at this question over here on the right. It says, what is the minimum length for a pull box with a 4-inch conduit entering one wall and exiting the opposite wall in a straight pull configuration where the conduit contains 4 500 KC mill conductors and a 3 AWG equipment ground? Okay, so quite a bit of information going on with this question. When we're talking junction boxes, we got to think, okay, junction boxes, pull boxes, conduit body, any of those words, any of that language, we know that we're going to be in Article 314. Now, in this case, since we're talking pull boxes, that's going to lead us to 314.28. For a minimum size, we're talking 314.28a. Now 314.28a tells us, hey, if you've got a raceway containing conductors of 4 AWG or larger, do we have that? We sure do. We've got 500s. Then, okay, this pertains that are required to be insulated and for cables containing blah, 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 blah. The dimensions of the junction boxes installed with the raceway or cable shall comply with the following. Okay, so okay, we're larger than number 4, right? We've got 500s, so we know we're in the right section. Now, if we go down our list, 314.28a1 says straight pulls. Okay, well, this is where we're going to find our requirement. Now, what it tells us is the minimum length of our box shall not be less than, has to be greater than or equal to, right? At least this long. It can be longer, larger, can't be smaller than 8 times the trade size of the largest raceway. Well, we only have one raceway, right? It only mentions a single 4-inch conduit. Okay, so 8 times 4 inches is 32 inches. So our box would have to be at least 32 inches long. Now, not likely, it'll probably be a 36 inch, but the minimum 36 inch would be fine because anything at least as large as or bigger than 32 inches will work out. But for this question, our green ink correct answer, 32 inches.